And then, yeah, Baba Tremor traits. Actually, I'll hand over to your brother Bernard. No, I tremor 1 or 2 tricks. I'll be to may use it in your mini importation business. But I am here to tell you guys, we are in September 2025. And a month will be Britannia getting to Christmas. Until more percent the good news is we will be in China this month. And to the month of September, no, I will be in China. Until you'll be now share now per se your fan yema near the container now on Saka on yema no before December 2025. Then please contact us. Make sure your number in the description section below. Freya ASAP said you do China why you bet to me I found Yamano near the back Ghana a brown. Make us happy, I'll hand over to your brother Bernard. That tricks are or what in the mini importation business, or the Atuja Amam. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned.
Hello, Makwa Bawa Fofoofo tips. Your friend Bernard said her name, and then what about sure 1 or 2 tips via so you begin and now or start to use a pinodo and assistant later. These are some of the few things that you have to know. 1, how to apply for refund. It's undergo training now. You see some of the trainees, I don't know, quite remember so I sure maybe on to the work minimum who say maybe I don't know what to know. This how I apply for refund. So in the course of buying things, do a person apply for refund. And then since I said he didn't go through with the actual training with you, you might find yourself wanting. In Timbabe Cho say we beginner now who used to these apps now, how about might easily to apply for refund. And also if you want to idea due to 1 or 2 reasons you've been product in bedroom, one engine home person complaining about supplier, but with time, you see any trace of the product. But there's still a certain way of it. I could find the history of the product in our ton. Just make sure how I get access to that. So call first of all request for refund is simple. So Ubio app na that's either Pinduoduo or 1688. They all have the same features. And to say who use 1688 in Pinduoduo, the same procedure and way will go through. But you can copy Pinduoduo na for 1 or 2 things. And this is my profile page now. You can see I have 3 products at the car section. And I say, I have products, 3 products here. They are being sent to my address now. You see, and it's a broadcast symbol now. You're going now. You see, say to open the logistic information for me. Yeah, so it means currently, maybe I will get all the logistic information about the product. Or if say my there, and then maybe a car session I say anyhow, and I want to still get logistic information. So, but we American I may access and say first icon now is a wallet, Your boss page will be now. Currently, you can see say there's a certain tab where I highlighted red with the Chinese ratings, But before that, well, boy, also, I know you all translate here or into your boy, also that's first one. There will be a page amount. Page where simply means all the histories of products be our place where they send the one to the author in one to be they'll be listed over here. And if I'm to go down, histories of products a matter. Or products in bedroom China and if China bedroom Ghana supplier answer the order quantity now open into what request and now say on track the actual products now chat supplier. So you go through this list and the products now what probably ought to be able to have this kind of feature. You see say under the image of the product, you will see a list of profiles. And so this simply means a product you toy. This is also it will be other history now. And then you have to one with a car symbol. That's the logistic information. It will be a logistic information. And see, you will not find this anywhere except this place. So products now acha. So saying about the history of any other BR person on track now, on contacting supplier and whatever being the case. And with this one, you can just communicate with the supplier directly by also clicking on the product in BM and then clicking on this message icon to open the supplier's DM. sanity was say. If you want to pass any information now, you just use this process and chat the supplier. And I feel so one other thing. Assuming say we are what idea, and then all person requested for refund. We have two ways of requesting for refund. One, say at the moment the supplier na ship your idea, or Timika just say I could do a house and you rejected product, and to request for refund. Mostly such refund they will always be at the car section. And it said 3 has say na me hono, number is 3 no. It could be say be one of these products, supplier is someone rejecting our house and to request for refund. So how do I do that? You share product was here now. One of the products, you can see said you have these 3 buttons, and then before that, there's this Chinese symbol. Before the 3 buttons, it says translate here. We say apply for a refund. Then you have check logistic, and then you have more. So this refund it will be different from a debia waton straightforward the Yanya pay. And the obo and also a baby refund page number. So there's a difference between this side. This side, original supply and I can ship it a call or warehouse and courier service, has already been charging the service, and whatever being the cost that was charged for you to for the actual product, you will not get that same product. For instance, if your product you may turn 50 RMB, now the product was delivered to the warehouse, and the courier service is not charging a carry. And the only charging account this time around 50 RMB. It will be the actual product cost, but not with the logistic cost. And if you want to request for refund, I just click it, the one that's having the yuan icon, and then you give a reason. So you choose any reason. You can translate to understand everything. Yeah. And then we are now bought red button also to request for the refund. But I'm not requesting for the refund. Yeah, until we are whatever being the steps involved, we just do that. This same procedure also applies to 1688. So you'll be use 1688. You can see say this interface the same, hence the same procedure. But then if you want to add starting, let's see if it's want to add back community. So okay, so I just purchased this. All right, so my top product way, and now it is at the second icon. But before switch my apply for refund, it has to be at the 3rd icon. And this is I have to let it move to the 3rd icon. So I'll just click on 2 buttons, the one before the red button, I'll just click on it, and then it will push the 3rd icon. Until you say I bring the icon as a clock, now one hour. So here is where you can request for refund. And this refund, instant, because and whatever being the actual cost of the product, whether the logistic cost was involved, now you get the exact amount, because this time around the product hasn't been sent to the warehouse and the destination now we set here, and since supplier and shipping products and the exact product cost now or the toy. So that's the difference between the one and the car side, this side, and we do say one so me bought refund button, so which is the first button, maybe I'm mommy, and then I also choose a reason why I'm requesting for the refund. And then now the total cost. So now we can see from this side, say I have the total amount, which is 19.6 RMB. And if I'm to request for a refund, now this is as cost na made to me account. So it's as simple as that. The part that's saying you have to upload products, you can choose to upload something, but it is not necessary right now. So I will just click on the red button, and then the amount is being refunded to my Alipay account instantly. So this after I go back to page, you can see say the product is no more listed over there. And here refresh here. Now I don't have anything here. So maybe our person won't keep track of products or refunds as well. Over icons na a second section now, which is the ones that are in red now. The second you want symbol a dumb it's in translating here there. Yeah, so you can see refund after sales over there. So that one, you can see all the refunds of the products now writing we're making. So it keep a history of for the refunds of products we've made. And as you can see here, these are the refunds of products I've made. Yeah. So very simple. This is how our wedding will be accessing old products. In case you can see that the review section and also a car section, you have to come to the first icon, and then when this page opens, you click on the first one, which is all, and then here keeps the history of all the orders that you've made. Yes. And with that being said, there's another thing that most of the times, beginners, they don't know how to check and also how to find where a supplier's review is. So most of the times, supplier's review is at this page. So this is the other page. Here you get to know more about the products, the images, the supplier's videos as well. And then you can also chat the supplier, check store of your supplier, and see your products. You are currently supplying some reviews of 23,198. So that's where you see the reviews. So but scroll below image, section as a crab, yeah, that's where you see the suppliers page. I can say reviews page, around reviews option. Until now, the side bracket, 23,198. That's a review. So if I'm to click on it, you see say a lot of product reviews will be listed over there. And basically, way or ton rubber. Maybe I cut up in a rubber and a spoon for takeaway and stuff. And these are the reviews now. Those are my purchasing products in a free supply on the side. Or my then I'm provide. And as simple as that. Yeah, and this is our wedding. Over access review. And then one thing is store but icon now when we are saying that's the supply store. And maybe I will talk at the back, but you don't want to be purchasing from various supplier. Maybe you want to check the store, say maybe supplier or related product be very interested. Over this so you see. So every product being listed at this page is for one supplier. And it's maybe auto pen, and then you want to buy eraser, you want to buy Darkstar, you want to buy sharpener. You can use this process, go to supplier store to see say I don't really know to sell products in everywhere. Supplier no crab a bit it will serve as an advantage for a supplier to keep all your goods in one box and then ship for you. Instead of say we talk free various suppliers on be shipping piece. It be so boom. Yes. All right. So that's it for today. Say we'll be we beginner now person diving more into this. Now we have a training that we offer. I reach out, then we will go through with you with all the steps. We prefer say over free guide because registering on 1688 a very crucial we create pay account and the cost of creating 1688 app and I register on it and go well. That's all. It will be very difficult for you to connect it to Alipay for you to use that or payment option. So if anything, BIS come forward, we help you. We start the process with you, not there. Well, how about it? We'll go by everything. Yeah, so we do see as a but another reminder, the next 2 weeks we are going to China, and whatever being any product in mind, Christmas about 2% to Nema or October and Nema there. This is the right time for you to start making purchasing. You can give that option to us to buy all the goods for you and then ship them for you as well. See you next time.
Thank you so much, Brother Bernard, for sharing this wonderful information with our audience. Again, this month we'll be in China. This is the time for you to contact us. Within the Kwame Chumisi, I'll see you guys in our next video. It's a bye for now.